We would like to thank you for all your support to us during your sorry, our talking. Good luck, sir. Great speakers, I would like to give you this small token as a sign of appreciation. We hope that this will somehow remind you about us, that once in your life that you have been with us in this school. So I should say good luck, God bless.